Hello, I am late to the game. I already knew by the time I was able to get out here, the cleaning up was gonna be halfway done. And I was right. Belleair Beach was hit, but majority of the cleanup has already been done and taken place. So now, only thing really left, at least in Belleair, is just to pick up all the trash. So, but still some nice views, and I forgot how beautiful Belleair Beach actually is. But what I can say, sadly, they probably need to change the name from Belleair Beach to just Belleair, because it ain't no more beach. As you can see, high tide come, it's gonna be right in their backyard. You can see where the beach started, and you can see where it ended. And then you can see the little bit of beach that they have now because of the storm. That's the beach was way bigger than that. I don't know what this is we're looking at now, but yeah, this ain't even the beach no more. It's just Belleair now. Man, but I'm glad majority of people made it out safe and they still have their homes besides water damage and things like that. But yeah, so I was gonna try to get to some other areas that have been heavily damaged, but I haven't been able to make it yet. But I'm gonna do my best, probably this weekend, to try to go to some of those places. But if not, I tried, right? So, nevertheless, enjoy the video. I'm gonna enjoy this video because Belleair is such a beautiful place. It really is. Like, whenever I was going through things, I would get in my car and I would just go and coast from St. Pete Beach all the way up to Clearwater Beach. I would just coast. And if you have ever coast on the coast of Florida and just driven the speed limit, there's a lot of stuff to see. A lot of stuff to see. It's definitely eye-opening and refreshing, and yeah, if you're stressed, you won't be stressed if you go on the west coast of Florida and just ride and enjoy the scenery. So, nevertheless, enjoy, and I hope y'all have a beautiful and blessed day. I almost kept on going and went to Clearwater Beach. I knew I should have started with a full battery, but I didn't, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I could have made it. I could have made it. Y'all gonna see where I started to turn. I'm like, I can go all the way to Clearwater Beach from here. I'm in the perfect spot. I can see the drone. I thought about continuing to fly and make it all the way to Clearwater Beach. I was in the perfect spot on top of the bridge, and oh my god, clear line of sight. I would have made it, but I didn't start with a full battery, and that's on me. That's on me. That's on me.